This is here, like you say, Harry, this is the more powerful one, and we cut to a very different SUV on the hill. This is the Le Pace L8. It's a new Chinese brand to arrive in the UK. I find myself increasingly saying that these days, but it's another brand that's under the arm of Chery, a massive Chinese car company. They've also got J2, a Moda, and now Le Pace in their arsenal. You can get into this brand. This is a small little SUV and a proper first class. This car was only revealed a few weeks ago. The AMG. Get this. 2 miles an hour in 2.7 seconds. That's not.
Over the last decade, you've been their managed GT racing. So, safe pair of hands. Here they acknowledge oh my God, astonishing. How can a car produce so much smoke?
I mean, there's many. I mean, there's been every teammate I've had. Honestly, there's been all my teammates in every series that I've done since starting. Everyone plays a part in your career, in your ladder, of getting to Formula 1 and then within Formula 1.
GT4 has traditionally been a car powered by one of AMG's wonderful V8 engines, but now it's all new. It's electric with colossal big stunts like that. Coming out of the back. Yeah,
good on the show. This is a history display. It's a moving glory. It's rising.
A Las Vegas native, Kyle Busch followed many of the same steps that his brother did in accelerating up the racing ladder. Family hill cars on makeshift tracks and cul-de-sacs and parking lots. Living legends cars at the Vegas Bull Ring. Full body late model down edition.
For a young driver, we're throwing in as the biggest series.